Navigating the inherent limitations of a Shopify theme can be frustrating, especially when a simple color change or layout tweak feels impossible without hiring a developer. The first step to taking control is understanding where your editable areas live. You do not touch the core code until you absolutely have to. Begin by opening your Shopify admin, navigating to Online Store, and clicking the Customize button next to your Publish theme. This launches the intuitive theme editor where you can modify your header, footer, and homepage sections using sliders and checkboxes. Always start here because these settings are non-destructive and automatically mobile responsive. If the visual editor cannot achieve your goal, the next layer of safe editing is the theme's language and default content. Instead of editing a hard-coded title, go back to the themes page and click the three dots next to your theme. Then select Edit Default Theme Content. This allows you to alter any static text on the site, such as buttons or error messages, by simply typing over the words. It is a powerful way to change the vocabulary of your store without risking a syntax error that could break your checkout flow. For structural changes that require code, we move to the code editor, but we never edit the live theme directly. Go back to the themes page, click the three dots, and select Duplicate. Work exclusively on this backup copy. Once inside the duplicate, click the three dots and edit code. The directory looks intimidating, but you only need to master the visual preview tool. Click on the theme.liquid file to preview the master layout, or open the sections folder. As you hover over the code on the left, use the magic of browser developer tools by right-clicking a live element and selecting Inspect to match it with the correct Shopify liquid or CSS file. This browser inspection eliminates guesswork and shows you exactly which class or container you need to modify. When you finally find the line you need to adjust, the safest edits are cosmetic CSS changes. These rarely crash a site. Locate the Assets folder and open the base CSS file. Scroll to the very bottom and create a fresh block with a comment noting the date and purpose of your change. Write your override code here, ensuring you use precise selectors copied from the inspector tool. Once you save, click Preview in the top bar of the code editor to test your duplicate theme on every device. Only when you have verified the changes are perfect do you return to the themes library. Click the Publish button on your duplicate copy and swap it for the live version, making your custom edits instantly visible to customers.